Wait, was that the thumbnail?
Yeah.
I wasn't ready.
I'm
chewing a fruit pastel.
Hi guys, I'm Pops and you are currently on my channel, so hopefully you may have watched some videos before. And I'm joined with Hannah from the Festenstein Sisters. Hi guys.
So I have my own channel that is linked
below.
That is linked below, and I do it with my sister. Her name's Nia and Hannah, and yeah, go check it out.
Me and Hannah met at summer camp in California called Mount Camp with Sides. So if you think that guys can't go there.
Yeah.
I went to camp for the first time in 2013 and then I met Hannah in 2016. So we thought we'd do a little video about camp and what it's actually like, and our experience at camp, and answer some questions. The bowl of questions in one of my nice snazzy cereal bowls.
Is there Wi-Fi at camp? Can you use your phone?
So, at our camp, there is Wi-Fi. And it's pretty good actually,
yeah,
Wi-Fi. It's fine.
To be honest, there's like no time to go on your phone at all.
Yeah, it's so busy and you don't even care. You don't want to use your phone. Because you're just like doing fun stuff.
I feel like when you get there, you really don't care about it. Like you're so busy getting to know everyone and like kind of soaking up the whole culture of it and experience. You just don't really care about it. To be honest, the only time that you care about Wi-Fi is posting photos
of your time at camp.
You having such a great time.
How much money should you take? So you get paid while you're at camp. If you're first year, you don't get paid as much as you do in your later years. So it's more like the money you make at camp, you probably spend doing things at camp, like on your time off.
Yeah, it's like, it is kind of like the money you earn out there. It's like pocket money.
You spend during the week.
To enjoy your time out there.
Yeah.
What, if you were going to bring pocket money, what would you use it for?
To buy snacks.
To buy food. Yeah, I'd say you would bring pocket money for that extra thing, like maybe go and see a basketball game or whatever that is in your area that you like would really like to see. That might be a bit more
But you can
money.
still use your camp money that you make there, really.
Very true.
Because you're probably tired over.
Yeah.
Because you're not spending money. The only thing you want money for is for travelling after camp. I feel like $1,000 would be a good amount.
Yeah, I don't feel like...
Unless you're really going for it with the travel after.
Yeah.
Because you still have money left over from your wages that you could use travelling.
Definitely, but yeah, I'd say that's good.
But if you're going to go like proper all out and you're only doing the travel once and you want to go everywhere, then you'd want more.
Yeah.
So save a bit of money that you take with you. Or be really frugal at camp.
Frugal.
Frugal?
What does that mean?
Like,
Sensible.
yeah, like, but it's like getting coupons and like...
What are people like at camp?
The best people.
No, I completely agree. I feel like people that go to camp are just like not like people outside of camp.
No.
Is that like true?
I think it's the environment you're in as well. It just brings it out of people.
100%.
Like, it's just fun.
Yes.
And everyone's just having fun and everyone's happy and smiley.
Yeah. And like people like don't care what they look like at camp. That's the one thing that I loved when I first arrived. Like I'm pretty sure the first day I arrived, like everyone was in fancy dress, like doing some skit or something, like singing and like acting all weird and whatever. Like people do not care what they look like, and they're just silly, like they're just goofing around. Should I plan travel before camp?
I think if you really like, if you're like going to America to see specific things, maybe.
Yeah, like if you're like, oh, I've always like wanted to go to that place or like see that specific thing.
Yeah,
and that's fine.
Book it before. But you'll make so many friends at camp that you want to go, and they'll all be planning travel, and you'll want to go with them.
Yeah.
So I would say go.
Yeah, and you do build certain relationships where you're like, right, I can trust that person to book spontaneously and know that it will like follow through and it will all be fine.
Accommodation, where do you sleep? Camp's very different. We sleep in dorm rooms. It's quite fancy. And we don't sleep with kids. But
yeah, so we have our own rooms. But we're
with counsellors, not like on your own.
Yeah.
So we sleep in bunk beds. But they're like, ours are nice, they're comfy.
Yeah.
But I think a lot of other camps are more cabins. I think the nice thing about the cabins was because you were in the room with them, like the whole bedtime, and like we'd do little stories before bed, and like that time was really nice because you really got to know the girls.
That's true.
In those times.
What
at the sister camp when you're in the cabin.
That's true.
Whereas obviously at ours, we'll like go in the room and like say goodnight and try and do that, but it's a bit different.
Yeah.
But it's also nice having you.
It's generally nice though, because obviously
you sit and chat to your home campers, things about your day. Yeah, so it's quite nice. Yeah. Are the kids annoying? Yes. No. The kids are amazing.
Yeah, they're incredible. That's literally one of the reasons why I wanted to go back the second year. As much as I loved like all the counsellors, all counsellors and all like the people that were going to go back, the kids are incredible. It is like you really do not expect to build those relationships with people you've never met, and like it's amazing because when you go back, like they remember you and they're so
like,
excited to see you,
and you're like, yeah,
I know,
yeah. Although
so funny.
The little one, I feel like because we had older kids, which I feel like they're not as annoying. They're like easier to, because they just have normal conversations with you and you can just like have fun and they know what's going on. The little kids, they do want to braid your hair every 2 minutes and climb on you.
And got so much energy.
They ask what's for lunch about a million times.
Yeah, I know.
And it's the same.
Same thing every week, guys. Every week doesn't change.
But work with older kids and then you're fine.
Yeah, that's the thing with older kids. It's like you can't feel like you can relate with them.
Yeah. They're on a level where they understand things.
Yeah. Do you get free times / breaks / days off?
I feel like our camp's really good with time off.
Yeah,
sure
like from what I've heard actually completely. Yeah. Well, so how it works for us is we get an hour off a day in one of our breaks.
In the daytime.
And then we
get a night off a week.
Yeah.
So we're really lucky as well because we're like really not that far from a town. So if we have a night off, we can go into town and have dinner or go cinema or whatever we want to do.
And then we get like a whole 22 hours off. So like we'll break up on the Saturday at like 3 and then we will come back at like 1 on the Sunday. So yeah, it's nice. I think we get like a good break. Like you can go, like because we were quite near to San Francisco, a lot of the time we go to San Francisco.
It's pretty chill during the week, and then the weekend you'd like go and stay away.
It's like a sufficient amount of time. Yeah, and make the most of it. Like sometimes you'll be really tired, but just like know that you'll be sitting at home in a few months' time, and you'll be like, oh, I wish I made that time.
Yeah, I wish I'd done that.
So.
Yeah.
Okay, is it hard work?
That's a good one to end on. Yes.
It is so hard work. Like, I actually couldn't strain that enough. Like, it's so tiring. Like, I remember in my interview in first year, I thought there'd be so much more free time. I'd be like, oh, I just can't wait to like read my book and like kind of chill out. And I think actually Jim was like, just remember like it's a job. This isn't like a holiday, like this is work, like you are working. But it's fun work, that's the thing, it is fun. Like it's not hard labour. Like you're playing with kids, like you're having fun being silly with kids.
Doing like archery or swimming or outside and beautiful surroundings, and yeah, it is really, really hard work and it's long. But it's incredible. Yeah, it's so rewarding, isn't it? And like, it is what you put in, you will get out of it. Like, kind of the more, I don't know, you put yourself into an activity or like making it fun for the kids, then you get so much out of it. And the kids make it so like, I didn't even really like kids before I went, and then by the end of the summer I was like, this is amazing. The kids are incredible. Probably a lot of people are like, question, like, should I do it? Like, should it be right for me? Like, it is one thing I would honestly be like, I could not recommend it to anyone. I would really recommend it to everyone. I would recommend it to everyone, and generally not just saying that, but it's just, it's like, it is an experience. Such a different experience. Yeah, and but it's so amazing. People we meet, kids, like where you are. getting to experience another culture. All the Americans you meet who show you like all their hometown stuff, places you go and visit, all the stuff you do.
It is incredible, and you definitely like, you become so much more independent and like confident in yourself.
You
like,
learn so much
by yourself.
Like you do, it makes you really proactive in like
like
problem
thinking of
solving and all that
things.
stuff. So yeah, basically go do it because it's amazing.
It is, honestly. They were a great time.
If you have any other questions about camp, just drop them into the comments and we'll try and answer them for you. Thanks for joining us on the Truth About Camp Q&A.
Thanks, guys.
Bye. Peace.